Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I hope that you are okay and doing well and you are keeping safe as well. So in today's video, guys, I saw an article about ghostwriters making some serious money on LinkedIn. So I just want to come here and to really encourage you that if writing is something that you are passionate about, that you need to start invest in it more. All right. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Vivette, and we talk about everything making money, personal finance, personal development, and trying to live our best life and achieving financial freedom. So, guys, for those who do not know what a ghostwriter is, let me tell you what it is. A ghostwriter is a freelance writer who writes a text that is credited to someone else. So basically, you write, and the person who you are writing for gets the credit for it. So ghostwriters can write a number of work on behalf of clients, including nonfiction books, public speeches, online content, text, and content, sorry, and book proposal. So, as I said, basically, you will be writing the article, you'll be writing the book, whatever it is, and the person who you're writing it for gets credit for it. All right, guys. So, guys, I saw the article, and this is a part of it that really catches my eyes. That person's on LinkedIn, it says you may want to quit your job. Some ghostwriters on LinkedIn are making between 500 to 700 an hour writing posts for high-powered execs and LinkedIn influencers. Guys, this is something else because I checked on Fiverr, and the ghostwriters here, they are paid quite depending on the who you are, the service that you offer. Persons are making money on Fiverr. So like this person says, I will ghostwrite your Christian novel, and they're charging $9,000. So the prices vary. This one says, I will be your professional ebook ghostwriter, do ghostwriting, and they start at $25. And this one says, I will ghostwrite a mind blowing ebook for you at $60, right? So there, the prices vary on the Fiverr, but the one on LinkedIn, guys, I think you should try and look into LinkedIn and see if you can get more money for your time and for the work that you are putting out, because I mean, paying between 500 to 700 an hour, and right here it says James pays 800 per 800 to 1000 word article, and another one pays 5,000 for monthly LinkedIn ghostwriting. So guys, the sky is the limit. Right now there are so many ways. Every day is something new, where you can make money online, and you can just use the knowledge and your experience that you have to make money. And if you love to write, and that is your passion, I say go for it. And this is another, so you can use LinkedIn and see if you can make some money for your article. So if you can get pay for one article for $500 per article, that's a lot, right? That's a lot per article. And if you are very good and you can turn out articles maybe I'm not sure because I'm not a writer, so I'm not sure how long it takes to write an article. But I guess maybe it depends on the amount of research that you have to put in and also the length of the article as well. So I just want to come on here to show you that you can go, there's a lot of money to be made for being a ghostwriter. So much money to be made from being a ghostwriter champions. And as I said, I'm here. Once I have some new information, ways that we can make money, save money, invest, ways that we can upgrade ourselves, invest in ourselves, and making money so that we can all have financial freedom and we live life on our own terms. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna share them with you guys. So try it out, test out LinkedIn. You can also, diversify yourself on Fiverr. You can try Upwork as well, is another online freelance platform that you can use. So you can just spread your wings and make money from different sources because we always talk about creating multiple streams of income. And as I say, if you love ghostwriting, go for it. You can be the expert in whatever area, whether it's politics, whatever. Or if you are the type of person who can write across the board, just go for it. Just start and go for it, guys. So that's what I wanted to share here, guys, to you today. If you really enjoy my content, please subscribe, please like the videos because when you like the videos, guys, it YouTube will show it to more persons and more persons can be aware and learn and share the videos, subscribe to the channel. Even if you do not subscribe, just share the videos so that maybe someone who is interested in this sort of content can like it, subscribe to it, and look out for more content. So please leave a comment down below if you have tried LinkedIn or if you have tried Fiverr, and let us we are all here to learn. So just go for it, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye everyone and have a great day.